Assalamu alaikum, family. Hope you're all doing well. Finally, the election just arrived. I am no pro-Trump, but the only person that can make America great again is Donald Trump because of the entrepreneur mindset that he has. We hope we are out of the market. We don't take any trade till the result came out. Let's enjoy our coffee and let's analyze the charts. Firstly, today in Japan is Culture Day, so it's holiday. On Tuesday, we have RB interest rate. They are maintaining the interest rate, and this is something that disturbed me because last week we saw in this YouTube channel जो कि अपलोड है, जाके जरूर देखना और फिर ये वाली देखना और सारी देखना मैं बता रहा था last week they cut 2.8% was the inflation rate. We're gonna show it very fastly. Yeah, here. We are seeing CPI yearly 2.8%, Ecoparso 3.8%. The inflation is still very high, so the probability of have a rate cut it was looking very, very high chances to have the rate cut, but it looked like हो सकता है कि rate cut now, लेकिन I will not be so sure about that till tomorrow. US presidential election at 11 o'clock here, Spain time, it will start. S&P global PMI that is coming positive and is above 50, so this is a good sign. This is below 54.9%, but it's still positive because it's 53.4. ASMI non-manufacturing prices, there is still no forecast. 10-year note auction, there is no forecast. Wednesday, crude oil inverter 30 years bond auction, nothing. On Thursday will be the final day of the week. We have interest rate of Bank of GBP. They are cutting 0.25%. Initial jobless killing, they are cutting this 4K more, so this is a negative sign. Fed interest rate on Thursday, and that looks 0.25% they are cutting after what I just in the past war मैंने बताया था कि NFP बहुत कम आया था, जो जल्जला आया था उनकी वजह से जॉब्स वगैरह बहुत कम आई थी. On Wednesday, the only thing that we have is Japan Services PMI, that is there. So I am still considering GBP Yen positive, but we have the interest rate of GBP, so we have a lot of controversy in that side. Before taking you to the charts, let's take a look of Twitter. Trump may have a slim lead over Harris in swing state polling according to data from 538 and Real Clear Politics, projecting a possible path to over 270 electoral votes. Donald Trump is now back 6% on Kelsey, 53% and 47% for Harris. It's going to be very, very volatile this couple of days. GBP Yen, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला, ये ट्रेड ले लिया, अब देखते हैं क्या होता है. ब्रेक इवन होता है, स्टॉप लॉस होता है, क्या होता है. Let's start with DXY. DXY is completing our bearish momentum after trying to reach this area and trying to break above 105. Here we can check it. Here we can check that we maybe can see this area. The price can go to the old resistance that now becomes support, and maybe we can see a small bullish momentum from this area, like right over here. So we can see something like this and start seeing this bullish momentum. Basically, because of the elections, that is the thing that I can expect from this week. USD card could give us a probability of having a good trade, but the thing is, I didn't take it because I was sleeping. But that was the trade that I saw you last week, and it could give us, first of all, the ratio 1-1. This trade couldn't be possible because when the market opened, we have a lot of spread and it's very difficult to take that trade in that position. Maybe this trade could be open in this area. USDHF is still bearish. Same, this trade could be executed, but I didn't have any sell limit activated. GBP NSD complete our bearish momentum, and probably this week can be giving us another trade right over here. This could give us another trade in this area and start completing our bearish momentum. Okay, that could be fantastic. Let's take a look of GBP out. GBP out, yeah, look at that. I didn't take that trade, sit. But I think this go to the stop loss. yeah, it could go to the stop loss. But let's take a look. The new chance of taking the trade would be right over here. Let me find the entry. This is the area that I mark because of this place, and that could be the trade, one of the trades for this week. If GBP are maintaining the interest rate and they are cutting interest rate, and euro and out, and they are not cutting the interest rate. So euro out is now after the bearish momentum that could give us ratio 2:1, but I was out because of the fear of NAP, and that is something very normal. But it's reaching again our area, and if this gave me the chance to take another trade, we could take it. Yeah, it's very ugly, this picture, because of the gap. All against USD, I'm not going to even see it because of the volatility. I am still considering a bearish momentum on euro out GBPY, and that means इसमें bearish है, USD GBPY में भी bearish है, and all the pairs against GBP are bearish. It would be very fantastic if I reach the break even this week. The current balance is 9,780. Okay, it's 2 TPs and $10. That means 210 would be fantastic. 2 trades and we'll be back on track. Finally, this trade was in a stop loss, and then it created this movement, and I just took another chances to see if we have this bearish momentum. So let's see what happened. I risked the same 0.5% and expect coming that bearish momentum. Here is the second stop loss, so -1%. Bad start of the week, but it doesn't matter. Let's see if you have another opportunity, or we wait tomorrow. This can be the last trade of the day. I'm expecting having this bullish momentum till this area, because we have this trend right over there, and I am seeing a very impulse momentum since the past Friday. So we maybe reach these levels and start going up, and in this case I risk 1% in this position, and I consider this can be a A++ entry after, say, the rejection that we are seeing right now. Finally, we have a very good reaction, and I closed the trade in 17 pips. Here is the current balance, so the loss of today is 0.30. Look, GBP, the trade would go perfectly to the area that I was looking for, but I just finished the meeting that I was in, and the price action was really smooth, but I was out right over here and the movement was complete. So our analysis went good, but I was not 100% in the entry. Happy election day in the United States. Currently I am in this position, JP Yen. This movement is looking very wild. It was very close to hit stop loss, then it came all the way up, it came all the way down while I was in the gym, and then right now it's having small range in this area. The trade was executed in break even because it hit my 27.5 pips, and when it came all the way down it hit my 10 pips because of the spread, and the current balance right now is 9,775. Today I can say I failed myself. Image is much better than something. This is the loss that I had right away in GBP Yen. The first trade that has to execute right over here is execute here. It came all the way down, it touched my stop loss, then I took 2 entries right over here. I was expecting having a bearish momentum when the market opened, but it didn't. It came all the way up and hit 3 stop loss in a row. It looks like the account is about to get burned. Obviously I don't want to get burned, but yeah, I am very near to that. I don't know, just failing myself again and losing the trade. It really hurt me because in my personal account the trade of GJ it really happened. It touched my TP, but then I don't know what happened, that this go all the way to stop loss. And by the way, Donald Trump is the new president of United States. Here we can see Trump's take near victory of a GOP claims Senate. Here we can see how it's going. He's very close to hit the 68 million in comparison to 63 million, 47.4, 51.2. Welcome to the new president of United States. Meanwhile, the elections creating these interesting things. This area was already reached and then start having this pump. USD CAD, USD CHEV, USD GBPY, GBP USD having this bearish momentum according to the data that we have tomorrow on the interest rate. GBP out hit my stop loss in the personal account, but in the meantime it touched the break, the TP right over here, having these 40 pips. So it was a good movement. GBP NSD practically did the same thing, but I was risking less than 1% in this position, so I decided to remove at night because the spread was 100 pips, and that was ridiculous comparison on all the brokers. I think this is the pair that has the most spread while the markets are about to close and open at 11 o'clock Spain time. And look at the movement. It's because the news of Trump, and then it gave it all the way down and I just closed the trade. I don't have any regret, but unfortunately I am really disturbed because of the trade, I must say. I removed the stop loss, I denied another position. I took 3 trades more in comparison of 1 trade that I had to take. The thing is, I make a mistake, and that is something I have to improve on. Good morning family. Hope you are well. Fed meetings day. Let's take a look at what is going to happen today. Later we're gonna be seeing in live the reaction of the markets. Meanwhile, our GBPY hit my stop loss to my personal account. I was expecting having this bearish momentum, and I had in the beginning of this candle. It was almost at New Year session, but then after having this big candle go up and hit my stop loss, and also in my personal account also hit stop loss right away because I was looking for the bullish continuation, but it came all the way down and touched my stop loss. So today's day it's in minus 1.3% because in this position in my personal account is 0.5%. This man was the one who taught me all about trading. Look, the same trade that hit stop loss. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're all well. Final day of the week. Let's take a look of the FTMO account, how it's going. I take couple of trades while Mr. Powell was speaking, and I could have some profits. But this was the backlast. I am right now in the half again of the account. In this case, we were very close to burn the account, minus 7.62. And we are right now in minus 5.3%. Next week is going to be much better, inshallah. It's just sometime it happened. The trade on GBP yen was right away. This was 2 areas that I mark, buys and sells, and it break all the way down and it keep very fastly the TP. Missed many opportunities, but the mind has to be clear, and if it's not clear, there is no chance to take any trade. The current balance for this week is minus 3.56. This is what I lost in this week. In my personal account, this week I just lost a minus 0.55 because of the commissions, and because I am risking again 0.5% in the position on GBP yen. जो मैं गलतियां करता हूँ आपके लिए भी अच्छी होती है, ताकि आप भी कुछ समझ सको कि इस मार्केट में सब कुछ करना इतना आसान नहीं है जैसे आपको जो सोशल मीडिया में लोग कहते हैं, और सब चीज़ के पीछे ना कभी बहुत सा स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है ताकि आप कुछ बन सकें. I take this trade before finish the vlog, and I'm still waiting for the down continuation approximately to this area, and it's looking like it having a bullish reaction. Let's see what happened. Well, family, finally that trade hit me stop loss, but I could recover, hitting one position in long and try to win some pips, 20 pips in this case, and finishing the vlog in break even, because in the beginning of the day I have TP, then stop loss, and then TP again, and the current balance is same. But yeah, let's see the next week how it goes. See you in the next vlog. Copiar y Pegar. Don't forget to join the family. Thank you so much if you do, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.